Do you want to be able to add a zip code to a vanilla gift card? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work. So, the first step is going to be for us to, of course, go into their official website. As you can see, and now when you're on the official website, don't forget to also, by the way, have your card handy so you can actually do this much easier. Because if you don't have the card handy, then it will just make it much more complicated. So, make sure that you actually have access to the card. Now, I'm just going to click right here, as you can see, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Now, scroll all the way down and then, as you can see, where it says Contact Us already purchased a Vanilla Visa gift card, click right here. And as you can see, if you have questions about a Vanilla Visa gift card you've already purchased, please contact us for assistance. And then they also give you, like, a phone number in here. What you need to do right now is to actually call that phone number and make sure that you explain to them the card details and that you want to be able to basically add a zip code. And make sure that this is, like, you're calling the official number, just so you know. Make sure that you are on their official website and you actually check the number in here, and then call the correct number, just so you know. So, yeah, basically, that is exactly how to do this. Let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.